Well, hello everyone, Mr. Sunshine, Rolls-Royce technician Eddie coming back to you live. It has been a long, hard day today, and we just got back to the shop, and we got some packages sitting here. But what we're going to do right now, we're going to take a look at what we have going on. I had a client call me, said he had a Rolls-Royce ignition, and he tried to repair it himself. And that didn't work out too well from what I was told. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at what we got going on here. Let's see what we have. This is how we do it. All right, it says Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow 1978. Ignition switch. Let's see what we have here. Don't see anything else in here. Where do I begin? Gonna need a razor. What the hell is this all about? It's like in its own cocoon right here. It's like it's in its own cocoon. Oh boy. Well, we have a broken bulb here. That's one issue. That looks like the least. That looks like the least of our issues right now. Look at this. Boy, I've seen some packaging jobs, but this is one for the books. All right, so we're going to set that aside. What it looks like to me, we have a lot of tape on here. Got to be careful with the knife so we don't cut the wires. Oh my God. What the hell happened here? What the hell is going on here? Oh boy. You see, this is why you should not attempt to try to do this yourself. This is a fucking disaster. This is a total look at this mess. Holy shit. The hell is this? This is the housing that the lock sits in. Screws. Inside pin. What inside pin? There's a pin inside? Inside pin. Now there is supposed to be a pin in here, but I don't see it in the tape. Inside pin. Oh, here it is. Look at this. This is a fucking clusterfuck. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, my God. Look at this. There. That's one of the retaining pins that holds the lock in place. Can't lose that. Actually, can't lose anything here. Here's the lock with all of the screws that hold it together. Here's the face. Ignition. Here's the keys. Here's all the parts. Okay, so we got it all apart. There it is. All right. So he turned the key upside down, and now all the pins are fucking. And now we got to tear this all apart. Alright, so as you can see, this is what we have going on right now. It's a real clusterfuck of parts, to say the very least.